to make I'm just trying to do a post request to this meeting link service, because like I have to have a way to like initiate or to trigger the first event. So इसमें होगा क्या, I just need to trigger the first event, and then because it is an event driven system, so all other services are constantly listening for events like from like various services. API.message route, I'm just sending a post request having this data. So if I click on send, okay, here, if I click on send, you should see something here and here as well. Okay, so if you look closely, we have received a request to send message with ID 007 content. I mean, like तू भी कंपनी में बहुत टाइम से काम कर रहा है, मैं भी कर रहा हूँ. When we work actually, ऐसा होता है कि जो हमने पढ़ा है वो सब कुछ उससे बहुत ज़्यादा अलग होता है, लगभग बहुत ज़्यादा अलग होता है.
It's not being used in industries.
It's not being used at all.
So, hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anurag, and this is my friend Chinmay. We are back with another podcast episode, and today we have created a demo for event driven based system. So it is written in Java, and I think the fundamental remains the same. It does not matter what is the programming language. So I can create it. You can create it in Kotlin, Java, Python, whatever you want. Chinmay would be sharing the demo, and I would be pitching into the theoretical part. So for the let's dive into the basic architecture, what we have created, and how it is going to look like on the programming screen. Let's move to Chinmay.
Yeah, thank you everyone. This is Chinmay as he just introduced. So, we forgot to mention that you are in India and I am in Japan, and we are working. Anyways, so okay, so first let's go with demo, and then we'll get into theory. So for
Yeah.
the demo, I just like I created two services. This is on left hand side. This is service called meeting link service, and like this service hypothetically supposed to generate Zoom or Google meeting links, okay, with some data. And on the right hand side, we have a service called calendar slot service, and again hypothetically, this service supposed to find a slot in a calendar. Okay.
Mm.
But as of now, I just like I just like set up the services for the basic Kafka architecture or the Kafka like setting, not the actual meeting generating or the like, calendar slot finding methods, of course, because it is like hypothetical as of now, and it is the kind of basic structure of Polar Meet, what we are doing on there. So अभी demo के लिए what I'm going to do, I'm just trying to do a post request to this meeting link service, because like I have to have a way to like initiate or to trigger the first event. So इसमें होगा क्या, I just need to trigger the first event, and then because it is an event driven system, so all other services are constantly listening for events like from like various services, in this case too. So as soon as I will make a post request with some data, that post request will go to the like here to the controller, and then controller will be sending that whatever the request body we will be sending as a HTTP post request, that body will go to the message service dot send message method. And what this method is, so if you click here, it is basically trying to send that body to the Kafka. Okay, so there is a topic which we have defined in the configuration file. In case of Java, this is the configuration file. For this service, we are having a producer called meeting link created topic. Okay, and for the same topic, we are trying to produce meeting link created. We are trying to produce a message to this topic, and this service, this right hand side service, are listening for this topic. So if you go to the Kafka consumer, meeting link created, and the configuration file is this. So basically the whatever this service is producing should be exactly similar to the same to the whatever this service is listening for. That's how it works. Like you are producing something, so I am listening something, but that topic should be exactly same. So here we are
Yes.
having producer, which is meeting link created. Here we are having consumer, meeting link created. Make sense? And
Mm,
and this process like and then in whole event driven system we will be following the same pattern. So further this service can produce an event to this topic, and some other service have to listen to this topic to do something else. So that's how it works.
mm,
Like
mm.
one service is emitting something, this service is listening but for the exactly same topic. Okay, so if you go to the file which is responsible to listen for some events or data, which is this, right? This is Kafka listener, which is listening for this topic, and as soon as the message arrives, basically this is going to print something on the terminal, and we can like confirm that. Okay, so as of now, you just need to like like carefully look. I don't like how can I zoom the terminal. Okay, yeah, I can zoom the terminal. Just like carefully look here at the terminal, and I will try to make a HTTP post request using Postman, and you should see something here hopefully. So if I try to make a post request, which is here, and like test message during live stream, and ID should be 0077, whatever it is, 075. So now I'm sending this 8082, which is like the port on which this service is running. So 8082, I am sending a API.message route. I'm just sending a post request having this data. So if I click on send, okay, here, if I click on send, you should see something here and here as well. Okay, so if you look closely, we have received a request to send message with ID 007. Content is this, timestamp this. So basically, we are attempting to send message with this is the content to this topic which we have created and successfully processed. Here, at the same time, we received the exactly same message, okay, with the ID attempting to on the topic meeting link created, and then because of the whatever the logic we have implemented here, this service basically sending message to as a producer sending message to this topic which is calendar slots found, and you might have another service which is listening for this topic as a consumer, and as soon as it arrives there, that's how service can do whatever it want to do with that. Okay, so again like we can do another test, and we just need to send something here, and if we try send again, we have 008 and 008.
So, Chinmay, just wanted to interrupt you here.
Mm.
Can you just, for our viewers, can you just explain, like, take little more time to explain why we are pushing it to, why we are generating that event using Postman? Because I think
Ah,
there might be a little bit confusion why the Postman comes into the picture.
ah, understood. Okay, so basically, as we are we are not having the complete ready to use services system, and because I just wanted to like take a little piece of information from the our work on Polomit which we are doing, वहाँ से एक छोटा सा piece of information लेके like how we are doing things there, उसका real world demo I want like we wanted to show here. तो उसके लिए अभी क्या हो रहा है कि if we are having like full fledged system जहाँ पे 5 to 10 services हैं,
Mm.
then like from the client you will be getting some request, and that the first service will get that request as an HTTP request, and उसके बाद उसका will be doing whatever the logic is. But इस case में there is no user, there is no client, we are the user as a postman like user, you can say. So to initiate or to trigger the first event We have
Yes.
to trigger it, and the only way right now to trigger is sending some API request, sending some post request, because I want two things, like to make this demo successful. I want two things. I want to send some data, and I want to trigger an event from service, alert service, like meeting link service. So like what you okay? Can you think of any other way if I don't use Postman? Any other way? I mean, there are some ways, but like we can use another service in any Golang or Python,
Mm-hmm.
which is connected with the same Kafka server, and then can produce some message on the topic for which this service is listening, basically this consumer. So meeting, like if you're having a Python service and if you can emit an event to this topic, then we don't need to make an HTTP request.
Yeah. So is it safe to assume that I think it is safe to assume that Postman is just nothing but just an external trigger, which
In
we
this case,
yes, in our case, which we cannot simulate using some other script. The shortest path is to use a Postman to
yeah,
initiate to enter into the system.
yeah,
Okay. So yeah, go ahead.
yeah. So basically, that's how it is working. Okay, what you can do, you can, like if you like, mean like let's assume you work in like Golang. So what you can do, you can create a Golang Kafka project where you can connect to the same server, like to the server where these two services are connected, and then you can try to emit some data to this particular topic, and this service in Kotlin will be listening for this topic. As soon as like there is something, it will get that data, do something with it, and then produce it on this channel or event, whatever you can call it. Like channel is more generic name, but yeah. And then it will follow the pattern. So like from one service to the second service, then second service to the third to fourth, and that's how. It's like order created, then like payment initiated, like successful,
Mm.
shipping is
Mm.
started. That's how it works. So रियल वर्ल्ड में जो एक्चुअल जो हम ई कॉमर्स पे या कहीं भी हम देखते हैं, सो दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स. दो सेपरेट प्रोजेक्ट होते हैं, और ये लाइक दीज टू आर सेपरेट प्रोजेक्ट्स. देयर इज
Mm.
नॉट टू फाइल्स. तो
Yes.
इसका
Yes.
डेमो, एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट लाइक इट इज नॉट फॉर वेरी मच बिगनर. अब अगर कोई इस वीडियो को देख के यही बोल दे कि व्हाट इज इवेंट ड्रिवन सिस्टम, तो थोड़ा मुश्किल है.
No, no, no.
तो दीज आर टू सेपरेट प्रोजेक्ट्स, नॉट
Projects.
फाइल्स. Yeah.
Not even files, not even
Yeah.
modules, not
Yeah.
even files. And
Complete
I
project. Ports
yeah
are
and
HJ2 and A1 and A2. Yeah.
and even if we cannot guarantee that these two services are residing on a system, on a single system, that is also possibility.
Yeah.
That one service is sitting on a different machine and another service, this another your second window is sitting on a different machine.
Yeah,
It can happen.
but
It can happen.
they just need to setting. I mean, they just have to set up for the same Kafka server. That's it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
They should be both connected to the same
They
server.
should be both.
Maybe sometimes they might be using a single local network to in the two machines in the close proximity, so that they can connect quickly as an inter-service communication for Kafka.
Yeah, that can
Okay.
work too.
Okay. So
So like, okay, after the demo, I just want to discuss like what can be the use cases of such system, like event driven system. Like and we try to discuss this considering that like a fairly real world examples, if you can.
mhm. So one example that you gave, that how our e-commerce website, e-commerce application works, is perfect example of this event-driven system, because as soon as you click on add to cart and proceed to buy button, there are multiple things happening in the background. So one it all starts from the order confirmation. So like this application example only, it creates an order confirmation, then it goes to payment service, and if you remember, and it's not a magic to see when Zomato or Swiggy, when you order a food, you get 2-3 events triggered simultaneously: email, SMS,
वो
notifications,
कैसे
whatnot
होता है,
comes.
बस अभी क्या वो सेम ऐसे ही होता है. Of course, and when we see
Huh.
like some e-commerce project or anything on like on यूट्यूब लाइक ई कॉमर्स क्लोन, तो वहाँ पे जो प्रोजेक्ट मैंने करा जिसने जो बनाया जैसे भी इज फाइन, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम थिंग्स लाइक एक ही प्रोजेक्ट में यू आर डूइंग एवरी सिंगल थिंग एंड पीपल आर लाइक वो ये क्या कर दिया, सो दैट इज नॉट इवन 1% क्लोज to a real time, like real production level project, I must say.
So that's
Yeah.
correct only.
Yeah.
That's correct only. When we say it's a real time and distributed systems or highly scalable system, all machines are running independently. One event is consumed by multiple machines. An
Yeah.
email service, notification service, SMS service. When you create an UPI payment, all these three events are getting
Yeah,
triggered by
right now,
single
yeah, I
message.
can create so many, like अभी right now
हाँ.
I can create some other Kotlin project जहाँ पे अभी Java project जहाँ पे
Hmm.
like इस event के लिए one the another service can listen for and then do something.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, correctly. So similarly, this is the use case Chinmay had explained is in the field of e-commerce. So Chinmay, I think I can imagine many more a lot of scenarios where in maybe medical industry or maybe in logistics. Okay.
Go ahead, go ahead.
So in medical, I'm assuming that let's say you have a patient, like you have a patient and he's sitting in the lying in the ICU bed and having multiple sensors attached to his body, and all sensors are pushing small bits of data to a topic, to a Kafka topic. Then what does the Kafka do is takes that streaming data inside into it and maybe is performing some else if check for BP and sugar condition. You can simply do the else if if BP is more than 180, it's a dangerous situation. And for other
हाँ, अभी
conditions
मेरे को
you
याद
may
है,
use.
जैसे फिल्मों
Hmm,
में क्या हमने अब तक क्या 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 देखा है कि पेशेंट का वो हार्ट रेट जो ऐसे ग्राफ चलता रहता है, वो
hmm,
यहाँ बहुत
hmm,
जाता है, तो उसके बाद
hmm.
कोई होता है जो वहाँ से भाग के जाता है, सो
हाँ,
लाइक
हाँ,
दे दे इज आई मीन वहाँ पे कोई एक वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन नहीं है विच कैन
hmm,
डायरेक्टली वार्न और अलार्म और लाइक इन्फॉर्म समबडी,
hmm.
सो अगर लाइक कोई हाईली एडवांस हॉस्पिटल है तो वहाँ
हॉस्पिटल्स
पे
में हाँ होता है
यू
वहाँ
कैन
पे.
हैव दिस जहाँ पे ऐसा
हाँ.
कुछ होगा तो आपको कॉल अपने आप आएगा, लाइक एन इमरजेंसी कॉल बेसिकली, एंड यू
Hmm.
डोंट हैव टू रन अवे.
Hmm. So when your sensors dispatch streaming data and your machine sees an anomaly and a high number or low number in any parameter, any medical parameters, uh, the control room can see which bed it is coming, from which room it is coming. So they can raise an alarm, say they can create a beep from there, and a controller can dispatch nurses and staff to handle or take care of the situation of the patient. So this is another use case. Another use case which I can imagine is that in logistics, uh, inventory management. Let's say a Blinkit or maybe some warehouse nearby your house is dispatching your order. They have to decrease the value of that product in their warehouse. So this is also happening in real time. So let's say only one piece of your product was left in the warehouse and now you bought it. Immediately it should be out of stock for all the other guys. So this immediate effect is actually handled by these high performance message brokers. Kafka is one of them. Another is streaming data, where you can imagine streaming data is in large warehouses where they are using machines and robots to uh, ship ship products within their warehouse. So in that to prevent collision and to make the coordinated delivery from the inventory to the dealership, all the machines are releasing their real-time coordinate, real-time position to the Kafka server, and all the machines are reading other fellow machines positions and coordinates, so they can optimize their part and reduce the possibility of collision
Don't you think Kafka
inside the
server
warehouse.
is like satellite, similar to satellite?
Satellite only. It's observing from top of the top of the
Yeah,
planet and
it's a
observing each
satellite.
movement and coordinate and making coordinate.
Hmm.
Not only Kafka, any message broker for the
Yeah,
instance
they
works
all are
like this
set on
only.
course.
Hmm.
Nice. Yeah, और इसके अलावा what you can think of to make with Kafka? Like sometimes जब मैंने पहली बार Kafka पढ़ा था, and like
Hmm.
it was like कि it's like it is something like रियल टाइम, तो मेरे को उस वक्त जितना आता था लाइक रियल टाइम, तो माई फर्स्ट
Mm.
क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन वाज कि लाइक अच्छे तो वेब सॉकेट की तरह है, सो वी कैन मेक चैट एप्लीकेशन विद इट, विच इज़ नॉट
No, no,
नेसेसरी ट्रू,
no, no, no.
नॉट करेक्ट
So
ऑफ
I
कोर्स.
think we have discussed the difference between WebSocket and Kafka in our previous video. So
या
we will not be going to that topic again.
सो
But yeah,
बेसिकली
it looks
मतलब
like that
जिनको
only, but it's
लगे
not the
कि
same.
रियल टाइम, तो लाइक रियल टाइम सेम वर्ड की डेफिनेशंस कैन बी वेरी डिफरेंट depending
Mm-hmm.
on the tech you are using to make something real time. But is it possible to make a chat application using Kafka? I think it is.
I think
If we want to, we
immediately not
can.
possible, very easy. Not possible, in fact, very easy.
It's very easy. Like simultaneously, we just need to produce, consume. That's all. Between
That's
two
it.
services,
Single topic.
a single topic.
That's it. If you want to broadcast, if you want to create rooms, chat rooms, and what we say, chat rooms only, right? Where one people's like 10 people gather into a room and they all the messages are broadcast. That is also very possible, very easily possible in Kafka. But it's not used for that
Definitely,
most
of
of the time.
course, it's not meant for that. Kafka का एक यूज और होता है जो मैंने किया था, लाइक व्हेन आई वाज ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड अ हाईली स्केलेबल सर्वर इन गोलैंग. सो आई डोंट नो कि वैसा यूज होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए, बट आई यूज्ड इट दैट वे एंड इट वर्कड वेरी वेल. And so basically, like what you can do, like if you, like I was trying to save 1 million db rows concurrently. तो
Mm.
उसमें what I did, I was like in the on the Golang server, I set up a Kafka. तो क्या होगा, जब भी कोई HTTP रिक्वेस्ट आएगी, उस रिक्वेस्ट में से जो भी डेटा है वो डेटा को निकाल के इट विल नॉट डायरेक्टली सेव इट टू द डीबी, इट विल पुश इट टू द कफका
Mm.
Kafka queue, and then from Kafka queue later on you will be saving to the DB. तो user को instantly will get response, like instantly कि your data has been saved
Uh, mm.
instantly
But
for a high number of users. So
mm.
that's how
but
I used
actually,
it.
but actually, it's getting saved little later.
Later.
Actually, in database.
Yeah, but ये उस केस में जहाँ पे यूजर doesn't like doesn't care कि अभी सेव हुआ कि नहीं हुआ,
Mm-hmm.
लाइक
Yes,
ईमेल
yes.
जनरेशन, लाइक
Mm.
ऐसा कोई डेटा जो कि उसको इंस्टेंट वो कंफर्म नहीं करेगा फ्रॉम डीबी डायरेक्टली.
Yes, yes. So that was the basic difference between why Kafka or maybe a message broker was introduced. There is like if we see both the system, a database and a Kafka and Kafka server, this so looks very similar from bird's eye view. But the only there are the basic difference between database and uh, Kafka is that database is good at storing things. Kafka is not good at storing things.
या इट्स अ
Database
क्यू
is slow
बेसिकली.
at storing database is slow at storing things, but Kafka is fast in storing things. So this is two. These are the two basic difference, and if we combine both of them, we can get the best of both worlds.
या
Kafka can handle
डेफिनेटली.
thousands and millions of requests per second and save it later
Yeah, in
in the
my
database.
case, in my case,
Uh,
it was handling 300K per second around. It was
mm.
very good.
So throughput is high, but speed is slow.
Speed is slow.
Database is, we can say, speed is low but throughput is high. It can save millions of rows in single batches. So what we do in mostly in Kafka systems, it will create the batch of 1 million 2 million rows and push it into database every few minutes.
Yeah, correct. Makes sense.
So for the user it is real time, but actually it is getting in database after a little delay, so that database can handle it.
Yeah.
So
एंड
this is
उसका
how
इसका एक
Kafka
फायदा
is used in
और भी
industry.
है, लाइक ड्यू टू डेटाबेस फेलियर, ड्यू टू सर्वर टू डेटाबेस का क्योंकि डेटाबेस लाइक व्हाट डेटाबेस भी तो अपने आप में सर्वर ही है. तो दे आर इन प्रोडक्शन, दे आर लाइक डिफरेंट, लाइक डेटाबेस यहाँ पर है, सर्वर यहाँ पर है. तो ये जो लेटेंसी है उस मे बी ड्यू टू दैट ऑल्सो, अगर एक डेटाबेस ऑपरेशन फेल हो गया तो कफका में होने से क्या होगा, वो रिप्ले होता है. कफका में लाइक ऑटोमेटिक उसको रिप्ले करने का, या फिर उसको अनलेस इट्स लाइक नॉट एक्नॉलेज एट पास्ट, लाइक इन जनरल वो रिप्ले होगा. तो
So
कफका
reply.
यूज करने से जो बेसिकली आई थिंक होता भी है, वी यूज कफका व्हेन लाइक जहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट डेटा विच हैज टू बी सेव्ड, तो वी यूज इट. उससे क्या होगा, वी लाइक कफका गिव्स अ गारंटी कि ये डेटा सेव होगा ही होगा. सो दैट can also be like a use case for this case.
Hmm. There are very interesting use case we can discuss, and we might be surely coming into uh, these videos, uh, because I think our whole channel revolves around scalability, job readiness, and large scale projects. So
Yeah,
I
like
think,
what we actually
so
do basically.
our technology will mostly revolve around Java, Go, Kafka, message brokers, because these are the only tools we can use when we talking about millions of rows. So we might be coming in future very interesting projects around the use cases we discussed. Maybe some hardware also we can involve. God knows.
Yeah, God knows, of course. So yeah, basically this was the event-driven system demo and a little bit of like theoretical, like not a little bit, but like if you like really want to go into like the theory, then you can read a book or you can go to like the official Kafka documentation. But like what we just wanted to show a real world example with code, and I will put the a repository link for this Kafka setup only in the description, so you can use this setup as it is. So basically it is like ready to use Kafka setup with Java. You just need to clone the repository and then further you can modify it according to your use case, so you don't have to do anything. So yeah, this was the like whole motive of this video. Except that, do you have anything to share, Kuch, interesting regarding anything?
Uh, Nothing as of now, Chinmay. I think that's all from my side.
ओके। अरे मुझे कुछ शेयर करना था, मेरे को याद, मुझे हल्का हल्का आ रहा है याद, ऐसा कोई मतलब कंट्रोवर्शियल टाइप है। कल कुछ सुन रहा था मैं ट्विटर पे ना, ट्विटर पे वो एक होता है ना, स्पेसेस करके स्पेस होता है,
हम्म
एक ऑडियो स्पेस, वो सब लोग
हाँ,
आके मोस्टली तो बकवास ही करते हैं।
चैट रूम टाइप ही होता है वो।
चैट रूम टाइप होता है वो।
हम्म
तो उधर कल मैं ऐसे ही रात को खाना खाते वक्त, नहीं खाना ही नहीं, केक बनाते वक्त, तो एक था उस पे कि चिलिंग जापान स्पेस, तो उसमें
हम्म
आई जस्ट एंटर्ड टू लिसन कि क्या हो रहा है।
हम्म
तो ठीक है, एक दो इंडियन यूट्यूबर्स और बाकी इंडियन जनता थी।
Chilling Japan, huh? Chilling Japan. Were they talking about that suicide forest?
ना, दे वही तो ना, दे वर टॉकिंग अबाउट, पता नहीं मुझे, मैं तो गया तो सुनने के लिए जापान के बारे बारे में था,
हम्म
और क्या मतलब बकचोद, बकचोदी कर रहे थे और कुछ नहीं। तो मेरे को समझ नहीं आता, मैं सुना तो मुझे सुना कि हाँ, वहाँ सुना कि ठीक है, तो मुझे वहाँ से ये समझ में आया व्हाट वी आर डूइंग और व्हाट अदर पीपल आर डूइंग ऑन द यूट्यूब, बिकॉज लाइक दे आर डूइंग ऑन यूट्यूब, वी आर डूइंग ऑन यूट्यूब। सो रिसेंट अभी तक भी, आज के टाइम भी, अगर कोई भी अपना एक नया कोर्स या व्हाट वी कॉल सो कॉल्ड कोहर्ट लेके या ट्रेनिंग लेके आते हैं, तो like what they are doing or trying to put as a content or teach, इट इज़ स्टिल वेरी बेसिक। सो मेरा पॉइंट जो मैं उठाना चाहता हूँ वो ये है कि वेन यू कैन गिव बेटर और एडवांस, वाई आर कीप गिविंग बेसिक और विच इज लाइक, और लाइक समथिंग विच इज़ नॉट लिटरली सो यूजफुल। आई मीन लाइक तू भी कंपनी में बहुत टाइम से काम कर रहा है, मैं भी कर रहा हूँ। व्हेन वी वर्क एक्चुअली ऐसा होता है कि जो हमने पढ़ा है वो सब कुछ उससे बहुत ज़्यादा अलग होता है, लगभग बहुत ज़्यादा
mm.
अलग होता है।
It's not being used in industries.
इट्स नॉट बीइंग यूज्ड एट ऑल। तो पता, आई डोंट नो, लाइक हमारे केस में वी आर नॉट पुटिंग समथिंग बेसिक, लाइक वी आर पुटिंग व्हाट वी नो एंड व्हाट वी यूज एट डेली लाइफ,
Yep.
लाइक in like in some company, like they like not Kafka but they use like Google Cloud PubSub, which is like works exactly same.
Google Cloud Messaging Service,
Yeah,
GSM,
they use it. So
GCM, sorry.
उस स्पेस में मैंने सुना लाइक कि जो नए कोर्सेज कुछ लोग आ रहे हैं, शो कर रहे हैं, सो दे विल बी टीचिंग लाइक डिप्लॉयमेंट और CI/CD पाइपलाइन, बट नो बडी टॉक्ड अबाउट कफका। दे आर सेइंग कि फुल स्टैक बैक एंड डेवलपमेंट का ये कोर्स है, बट दे डिडंट टॉक अबाउट एनी मैसेज ब्रोकर, दे डिडंट टॉक अबाउट any scalability or any scalability test. They didn't talk about TDD, which is like test driven development.
Mm.
They didn't talk about DDT. They didn't talk about like कि what to say, shadow testing or pseudo development and environment, and there's like staging one, production one, development one, local one. तो like actual production में एटलीस्ट 5 होते हैं, 4 या
Mm.
5, लोकल डेव, लोकल डेव, staging, pseudo, and finally the production.
Hmm.
So
I think there is terminology is different. Our in India it's mostly local dev, uh, pre-prod, sorry, QA, pre-prod and prod.
uh, yeah, but nobody is talking about all these things, no.
Mm.
अब मेरे को ऐसा लगता है पता नहीं क्यों शायद मोस्टली चीज़ें वही बिकती है जिसकी डिमांड होती है, तो शायद लोगों को यही मे बी सिंपल ही चीज़ ज़्यादा पसंद है.
Maybe they are like who is the target audience is more important here. Like which they are
तो
which
मतलब
which
बेसिकली
target
टारगेट
audience they
और
are
डम है
targeting.
ऐसा.
They are targeting students.
एंड एंड व्हाट यू आर टारगेटिंग.
We are targeting.
नाइस
We are
क्वेश्चन,
targeting
ये
students
पता
who
होना चाहिए
directly
ना.
want to
जो जो
directly
लोग
want to.
जो देख रहा है उसको मालूम
Uh,
होना चाहिए कि हम क्यों कर रहे हैं ये.
so okay. So let
हम्म.
let me let me explain
हम्म.
this in few lines.
हम्म.
There are two kinds of people in the world. One is let's create a wheel. Okay,
हम्म.
and how it feels. It feels very good when you create a wheel yourself. So one kind of people is that. Another kind of people. Why to use a wheel here? Why to create a wheel? Just use it because someone else has created.
हम्म.
So these two type of audience are there. But yeah, I understand there is an importance to how to learn. Like you should learn how a wheel is made, but you don't have to create a wheel.
यू शुड बी नोइंग कि
You can
क्या
learn.
क्या कैसे
Ah,
बनता
you
है, बनाना थोड़ी खुद
that's
से.
enough. That's enough.
हम्म.
You should know how a wheel works and how it was made. You don't have to make. You just have to use it. So our audience is the second type of people.
हाँ बट मुझे जैसे ये डिस्कस करना है या मुझे ये बोलना है या मुझे ये बोलना भी है कि लाइक दे लाइक टू टाइप ऑफ पीपल, ठीक है. एक एक जिसने लाइक बेसिक, लाइक सो कॉल्ड बेसिक, लाइक खुद से पढ़
Mm-hmm.
के बेसिक सब पढ़ के मतलब वो बेसिक से आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा इंसान, क्योंकि
Mm.
इंडियन यूटी सर पे बेसिक ही है. वो बेसिक से आगे गाड़ी वहाँ ना वहाँ बढ़ रही है ना यहाँ 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 बढ़ रही है. तो मेरा जेन्युइन क्वेश्चन है कि एक पर्सन जो कि बेसिक 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 लाइक इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्रड ओनली क्रड ही होता है यूट्यूब पे मोस्टली, पढ़ के अपना रेज्यूमे बना के जॉब करे अप्लाई, और एक पर्सन हमारा कंटेंट पढ़ के अपना रेज्यूमे बना के जॉब करे अप्लाई. तो लाइक मेरे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जेन्यून अट्रैक्शन या फिर लाइक 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 इम्प्रेसिवनेस सामने वाले के लिए, तो वो आई थिंक इस केस में ज़्यादा होगी या है. बिकॉज नो डाउट वॉट
Uh,
वी आर डूइंग इज लाइक वेरी इजी कि अरे ये तो मेरे को आता नहीं, नहीं आता, नहीं कर सकते.
no, the terms we are using, the terms they will be using if they learn from our videos, then they can that of course the resume will be heavier than who create just a basic project. No doubt we might be creating videos for basic guys also for basic students. We might be coming to that picture later on. But now for this episode, this series, uh, the terms are a little bit of industrial side only.
अरे यार वही तो बात है ना, तूने यूट्यूब से देख के एक ई कॉमर्स साइट बनाई जहाँ पे एक ही बजट में सब कुछ हो रहा है. वहाँ पे अगर इंटरव्यूअर कैन आस्क कि व्हाट इफ आई ट्राई टू पुट 10,000 ऑर्डर साइमल्टेनियसली, कौन करंटली मैं
That's not
टेन
scalable.
थाउजेंड रिक्वेस्ट डालूँ, वो भी ऐसे ऑर्डर के लिए जिसका स्टॉक है सिर्फ 500 का है.
That's not scalable.
That's not
Scalable.
scalable. And so this is what we are trying to do on. अगर like अगर यहाँ से सीख के पढ़ के after like undergoing our paid training, if like somebody like ask such questions to somebody like who have studied with us, I think can definitely answer
Mm.
like what happened,
जिनमें मेरे को
कैसे
एक
होगा सब.
I'm getting this idea also. Let's create a basic or some intermediate kind of level also here, because that in that case we can create very interesting projects around
Yeah.
interesting projects always.
Yeah, that's also fine, but like that depends like what should we create, like हमारा basic भी at least थोड़ा बाकी हो के basic से क्या अच्छा
बेसिक
होना चाहिए.
बेसिक ये नहीं, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू व्हाट इज द लिस्ट एंड व्हाट इज डिक्शनरी, नहीं अपन डायरेक्टली प्रोजेक्ट बेस ही करेंगे अपना जो भी व्हाटएवर द वीडियोस शुड बी प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड ओनली.
Yeah,
नो थ्योरी पार्ट.
प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड, क्योंकि थ्योरी तो है ना बाहर से पढ़ने पढ़ने के लिए.
प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड वीडियो ही बनाने हैं, लेकिन लेवल अपन वी कैन मेक अ डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लेवल्स.
हाँ एक प्रोजेक्ट लाइक लाइक कोई सेकंड ईयर का स्टूडेंट है या फर्स्ट ईयर का है, तो थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट उसमें डेवलप करने के लिए वी
करने के
कैन
लिए हाँ.
मेक समथिंग की इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट मे बी लाइक. So
ठीक है.
yeah, anyways, so like we will discuss more about it in maybe next podcast. So let's finish this one here. I think we
Yeah.
are done with the demo, with the theory, and with like some discussion. So yeah, this was all from our side in this video, and we will see you in next one. Hopefully, maybe like after 3-4 days, or maybe like next weekend, most probably. I don't
Yep.
know.
Yep. Till then, enjoy your
Till then, enjoy yourself, and yeah,
enjoy your last year weekend.
and yeah, try to make something good out of it if you can,
Yep. Thank you.
and then get yourself out of the basic. वो सैलरी बेसिक मिलती होगी. Okay, bye.